got me at the Cheesecake Factory, y'all. You're not this far. And I feel like I'm doing everything I'm supposed to do as a woman. But I got myself all made up.
There's nothing wrong with the Cheesecake Factory, right?
Yes, there's a lot wrong with the Cheesecake Factory. That means wherever I want to go, you take me.
Absolutely.
Whatever I want, you buy me.
Let's talk about this, because this woman went viral for shaming her date for choosing the Cheesecake Factory.
Last time you took her out on that Cheesecake Factory thing, man, there was a lot of things that you actually did wrong too. Because they look pretty, because they look cute, does not mean that they're innocent. You always got to vet, you always got to measure.
Hey, my name is Jada. I like Jay because I think Jay is a very genuine guy. I think Jay is very comfortable with who he is.
So I'm gonna counsel the dude. We're gonna get him up and ready so they can start playing him and stuff. I got a couple dates set up for him, right?
Oh, man.
So I got a date set up for him tonight. But
Tonight?
I'm gonna invade the whole date though. But I can't do it without you. So look, I'm gonna tell you, this is the big part, right? All right? So I had to come talk to you in person about this.
What you need me to do?
I just need you to walk in.
Oh, Lord.
So she's gonna be on a date, like she wants to talk to Jay. And I just wanna test her. So she's saying she's so interested in this nice guy online. So
you want me to do it? Okay.
When you walk in, that's gonna be a good test so we can see if she's really there for him. All I want you to do, walk in, sit down, look in her area, you know.
See what she do.
You know,
Listen,
he do,
I
man.
don't like playing games with people, but sometimes people gotta learn a good lesson.